A Bellacam is a social media site built for the cryptocurrency users. The more likes you get on your posts, the more Bella you will earn. Bellacam.com is a social media site founded in 2016 where 200,000 plus people earn money online in a fun. The centerpiece of the platform is a familiar content sharing system. Bellacam is used like Instagram. Users post their own photos and videos, follows each other and give likes. Each like is a micro donation of the Bella token given from the liker to the liked user. Each photo like conveys 1 Bella, about 0.02, which the receiver can withdraw or use to like another person's photo.
Feel uninvited.
At this time, the Bella token is available on the Mercatox exchange, so you can easily purchase the token. And if you don't have any money, simply you can sign up on the main platform of the Bellacam. Here you can see on the CoinMarketCap right now this token is available, so you can easily purchase the token directly from the Mercatox exchange if you want to trade this token. Secondly, as I am saying that if you don't have money, still you can earn some good amount of Bella token only by signing up on this platform, because this platform is offering number of things and the mission of the entire platform is entirely different from the other crypto coins. Basically, the Bellacam, originally intended to be the Instagram of the cryptocurrency, has become an earning platform for the impoverished communities and everyday smartphone users. Dedicated users can earn about $1 per photo, and the top users are already earning as much as $5 to $15 per post. To Americans, that's some nice extra change, but for people in impoverished countries, this can be life changing. So it's entirely very easy. Simply you have to use this platform, and you can use this platform by sharing your own pictures, by liking some other videos, and also you can follow each other and you can make friends on this platform. So it's a great opportunity for every users that you can utilize this platform and easily you can earn money on this platform every day. According to the Google Analytics, the users from the largest interests are in finance and investing, followed by the business and entrepreneurship, and finally online entertainment. The one thing that our users all have in common is their ambition for earning online. They are go-getters and they love adopting new tech or startups before the mainstream masses. The Bella token, the Bella cryptocurrency, was initially launched as a fork of the Litecoin in January 2014 by a serial coin developer in New Jersey. Soon after Bella was listed on the Poloniex crypto exchange in 2016, the developer passed leadership of the Bella over to the current team, and right now the Bella token is on the ERC20 mainnet, so you can easily purchase the token and you can easily hold the token in any ERC20 sporting wallet. Basically, the Bella quickly gained a reputation as a fun coin to trade. Being a small market cap coin, the markets were more volatile and exciting than many of the large market cap coins. So the whole story is this, that if you want to earn the Bella token, simply you have to sign up on the main platform and you can read all the things on the main website. I will share the link in the description. The current supply of the Bella is around 50 million and about 5.6 million new Bella are minted every year. 4 millions are distributed to Bella holders and 1.6 million go to the company for operating and promotional expenses. So right now you have the chance to make some good amount of Bella token every day. Go grab this opportunity right now.